Hello everyone, I'm back to this live. So today is February 18 and today is day 49 of 366 day of coming each day live and coding and going through this journey. So before starting this live, just recapping today's day. So today day it was kind of no like it was super productivity, and today I completed bunch of tasks also on my office on my and I closed this sprint and I'm going to work on a new sprint. And there was a small case like I was using RTK query. Okay, using RTK query, and on the header I was setting like token, and also I wrote like content application slash JSON type. Yeah, like I uh set the new header there. But the problem, and I was trying to access the form data, like I was trying to upload the image and like files, Excel's file to the backend API, but I was having problem. And I tried so many ways, like how can I solve this that every way, but none of those were working. And find out like why it is not working. Am I being not able to do a simple thing this also. And there is one Flutter. No, he's not from the web also. He's a Flutter developer, but like he has the year of experience more than like 5 year. But the I think the more than the experience, he has solved many problems. Yeah, like he was exposed to many problems, so he was able to see what was I doing wrong. And what happened was, on the RTK query, we don't need to give like content type JSON, because when I try to upload events, that's not the application JSON type. That is a multi-part, like multi data part kind of tag. Okay, so I was saying application JSON to all of that, and I was trying to upload the emails and that, so the content was not matching and it was not uploading the image. And I just deleted that one line, only one line, and my code run. And that was kind of, oh yeah, like kind of movement. So that was good. And guys, I am glad that I didn't started working out on that live coding project just soon, because at that time I didn't have any resource. Okay, and because that time I was so much busy also in the other work. And but now, as I'm not busy that level, like I'm still busy but not that much level. Okay, so I explored about that live coding project. Okay, and the problem was, I'm like, I was thinking that I will create a front end, and on the front end they can load, and they can, and I thought that there will be some kind of compiler in the code itself or in the server, and then the when they click, the server will go and run and give the output. But I was totally wrong. Like I didn't even understand how deep it was. Okay, like a React project, it should be running all the time, not like just like a, not like a lead code problem that you will send and check is the answer is right or wrong and you will get the response. That is not the process of it. So it will should run on a is like is second for throughout the application runtime, so a multiple users can come on that app at the same time also. So the main point here was to see about how the server, like how the backend code is really being there. Okay, and the other thing is the socket. So I should really understand the socket, and like there is the communication between the server and the client side. Yeah, so I should have a strong sense of how this all are working, and I was lacking that. So what I'm thinking to do is, uh I will be watching some videos, yeah, obviously, but not kind of that videos. Like there is Harkirat, I think you all guys know, yeah. So he has uploaded one video regarding Replit, and I was watching that, and I was able to sit this much also, because I was like 10 to 20 minutes, but I need to watch more. So I will be back there watching that video and learning more about how this like he can really create. Uh, and what I find out was, so my main target is for the 6 month I want to really focus on the front end like this web development, and on a pretty much good amount also, as my role as my level of knowledge uh, builds up, yeah. But also I want to make a project that is deep, like that is taking me 2 3 months for 5 months, but I am able to understand the libraries which I'm working with that on there also, like on a detail, like I don't want to make out like a Netflix clone because if I make also from the YouTube, that is just going to be a UI clone, not a backend, not a code that can really stream data like audio stream, video streaming, like handling large, that I can't do. Like I can do, but I need to learn it. Yeah, obviously, and like the most of the tutorial is only focused on the UI focused way. So I'm thinking that my mindset is changing, that regardless of making up any project, the project should be a much like a detailed project. Like for the 6 month also you can only work on one project, but that should, you should know the each and every ins and out of that library which you are working with. And so I'm making one project on that will be like a live coding platform where people can come on my live like live application, and they can choose any language like C, Java, JavaScript, React, and they can, on there will be a server on at the back end, yeah. So they will create a kind of workspace on my server, and they will run each time. So that will be a live communication between the sockets. Yeah, you are getting like live reading sockets, so I'm making that, and I need to do some research for that, so I will be doing now. Deepesh Casey dot. Hello, bro. So I thought at today at the college there was a program, yeah. I thought like I saw somewhere post regarding BSN Fest. So let's make a project, okay? So I'm scaring live sharing. Just a second, guys. My coffee So, hello guys, where are you from? Bro, regarding that, I said about making code your web, yeah, like online browser where you can run your code and you can create your React app here and you can run it here like a React it, yeah. And I first thought that just making a place where you can write code and there will be some package that I can tweak and I can just make it work on the browser. I was totally wrong, bro. I was totally wrong. That's not our like a replit or how a system is built. I need to have a server dedicated to that, and I need to link with the socket or like web socket, yeah, something that so it can talk to my socket at the back end and give me the code, yeah. So my total perception about making this online code is totally wrong, and I thought this is more focused. And if I'm trying to make it as a startup, then I should be more focused on the security because I'm a I'm enabling a person to write code on the server, yeah, so they can do any stuff on my server load giving bunch of requests and anything. So I need to think of so much ways, so I need to use Docker and I need to use WebSocket like socket.io, and I probably should use Kubernatives also, bro. So I thought this project is going to be a small project, but it was kind of big. And first of all, I didn't did research because I was also having other things in my mind, and I was doing a bunch of things. But right now I'm totally focusing on this project, and right now also I'm looking at the documentation and on the Reddit, like how a system is built like in that way. So I'm on a research phase right now, but I will soon update you guys. And tomorrow I have a not so much priority task, so I will give more time in my daytime also. And tomorrow we will start a new project on the GitHub and we will work on that. And today I want to give more time on resourcing what what should I do, like how should I approach this project, okay. And if you are new to this channel, then smack the subscribe button because I'm on a 366-day live challenge. So each day you are going to see me live, making some startup, learning new things. So that's the thing I want to say. So today I will write obviously code, but my main priority is going to be our resource. And if you guys have already made kind of this kind of project about like live video, like code editing, then you can share your experience. It will be more benefit for me to learn and from you guys, okay. So that's what I wanna say, and I need to learn, man. Bro, like I was kind of messed up from the past week, uh, dealing with so many things in my life. But bro, as for today, I'm so productive like today and seeing the bigger picture also, what I really want to do. And bro, if you are learning React or any JS frontend framework and thinking like I will use Python Django backend or Flask or Golang Rust, then I would like to suggest you one thing that shout out to you. Thank you, bro. All is so So where are you from, bro? So like, if I want to suggest you that, first of all, deep dive on the Node and Express, and be sure like you are on your front end as a JavaScript developer, yeah. And if you can't write backend code with that, and you are just going at the multiple language Python, Django, then that's not work. Like from my experience, that will not work, because I tried that, and I'm back to the Express, and I'm thinking to learn Next.js. Like it is a microservice architecture or NIST framework. So I'm planning to learn that and implement that on my new this project also. But before, okay, so let me see the this course, bro. Like any of you 360 days is crazy. Good luck. Thank you, man. So I'm on a day 49. So I guess kind of 300 days are left, and I will going to bank that all days. So, bro, like, any of you have guys made any project related like web based programming platform where people can come on the web and they can create a React app, and that will run on their browser. Like the processing will be at the backend at our server, but kind of replicate, kind of clone. Have you guys have made it in your life? Because I'm trying to make this one project, and I'm trying to make this project, and just now I found out that my thinking was totally wrong regarding this project. Like I thought basically there was one library about like how the VS code is built upon, yeah. So I thought by using that library I will be able to write code there, but that is only the UI part. As I'm a front end developer, I only thought of from the front end perspective, because at the back end, uh I need to make a separate like a containerization like a Docker or Kubernetes for to secure my like code, because on there people can like npm run dev also, or kind of terminal command, yeah. So in my server anyone can remotely access my server and do anything. So have you guys made this kind of project? Then it will uh, be helpful for me to share your experience, like how you made it, what tech stack, and what was your thought process regarding making this project. But and right now I'm looking at the documentation also. So how can I make kind of this project? And I need to focus on the Docker also, like Kubernetes also. So I will share my screen also. I'm just reading like the Replit. So it is kind of a Replit clone, okay? So I'm looking at their the things they have said on the internet about how they made it. So so what is the hardest part of building Replit.it? So it should be kind of a serverless kind of architecture, okay? So guys, okay, so this is the thing I wanna make, okay? This Replit website. So they have so many things going on here. But the main thing is I can come here, create Replit, yeah, and I can choose React, and the name is game auto suggested. I can create Replit. The Replit is putting run. So this is the thing I want to make a Replit clone. So there is a bunch of thing going on here like a backend connection, Dockerization. Hello, hello, bro. And if you click on this also, yeah, like locally, if you click on this URL and try to open on a new tab, you are able to. Okay. So let me click on this site. Okay. So on this ID, I'm able to access my site also. So how they are really making this project is. mm, Can you do my Java project? How are you? I'm doing great, bro. Uh, please. So yeah, you can explain like what kind of project is this? Like I don't have that much experience in Java, but I can help you if I can. And I have my friends also that can really are really great at Java, really great at Java. So if I got problem regarding this project, then I can ask them also. So yeah, you can share me, bro. What's the project or what's the thing you want to say? So okay, this is the how they are making Replit. Sure, bro. Okay, I will give you my LinkedIn account. Okay, like I'm only active on the LinkedIn. I don't use other social media platform too often. Sorry, bro. There is this one site. You guys can check it out, bro. This site is really great. You can hear. I'm thinking like where is the JavaScript? Can I make like is there any React here? No React. Like React is like kind of library, so there are bunch of things going on. Yeah, but it is like a just a language compiler. Yeah, yeah. So every language. So let me see JavaScript how they are running it. Then Jusio. Bro, I'm not able to understand what this means. Uh, so okay, so this is working. Yeah, like the Rizu code or course. Okay. Bro, but still, I'm having so much doubt about how my structure will be for this map application. Like, uh, front end, I'm going to use Next.js. Yeah, bro. Like on the Next.js, I can do server actions. Yeah. So I will be able to perform like serverless functions, like any code execution directly to the backend, and I can output that by using like use server kind of thing. Yeah. So I have only tried in a small project, but I can do that. And for the so backend, I'm going to use the Express server like for at the initial state, but after some time I'm thinking to switch to the Nest.js for like a micro more over microservice architecture following the structure. And about the styling, I'm not most focused on the styling. The main is functional, and it will be a cloud kind of thing, because many user can come on my site and they can execute their program, their code. So I really need to make it a secure also. Okay, I will send you my project. I hope that you will help me. I have deadline 3 days. Thank you for your attention. Sure, bro. Like I will see, and I will message you about how is the project. So yeah, you can share me your project on the LinkedIn that I have provided you, and we can discuss here, bro. And for the new guys, like I'm on 366 day live journey. So I'm basically doing from the January to December. I'm seeing how much I have progressed and giving each day time and commitment for learning and coding, how far I can go. So if you want to be a part of this journey, then smack that subscribe button to see me each day. And yeah, that's it. So subscribe it. Okay. Mm, why would Replit do this? Like this Replit is kind of online code editor. So yeah, bro. I think it's not a hard project for you. Sure, bro. Like, have you shared me on the LinkedIn? I will just check it at me. Okay. So, bro, I'm having problem. Okay, so how can I make this site work? I will research for the code pen also. So have you guys used code pen? I think you have, yeah. So how this code pen is really work? So yeah, I will just check the LinkedIn. Have you sent me? Bro, I haven't got your request, bro, at the LinkedIn. Can you share me so I can see what is the project you are talking about? Guys, I will look about this. I will watch some videos regarding how can I make this project, and I don't want to watch videos while I'm live. And bro, bro, I can communicate with you on LinkedIn. Can you give me your Instagram account? Bro, okay. I don't usually use in Instagram account, but I have one fake account that I can give you that I only have created for to just look if I have to. So, bro, but I my link, my all of my social medias I have. Okay, so bro, this is the my fake account on the Insta. You can send me your like I don't use social medias besides LinkedIn. Like I don't find it kind of helpful for anyway. It just takes my time so much. Is and you teach me Linux. Puspita Das. Uh, sure, yeah, like I can teach you Linux. Like I'm also not that much of advanced, but yeah, I have pretty good command toolkit. But I'm sorry, like I don't get your question. Like, are you asking me like I have already taught you, or can you clarify the question once more? So I'm making this project, okay, and it is like a online IDE. So we can say like, yeah, it is kind of online IDE, but I don't want to limit it on just running the programming language. Like I want to run React code also there. So I need to execute on the server, not on the browser. So my initial thought, okay, so let me code it, okay. Mm, And for the new viewers, I'm on a 366-day live challenge. So each day I'm coming live and coding and programming, and it is been my 49 days. So if you guys want to be a part of this journey and see me from the January month through February, like from the January to December, where I will go, like how much progress I will be by just coming each day for the programming. So you can subscribe to the channel for seeing this journey. Okay, because I'm going to go live each day for this 366 day, means throughout the year I will be there for the live, and I will be programming, learning new things, and to see from January to December how far I have came in my development and my like programming journey. So let me share my screen. So this kind of website, yeah, like the fast online playground for every programming language, we can make it, yeah. But it only runs the programming language, not the itself or library or the React or the Next.js framework. So for to make it that way, I can run on the browser. So okay, it is using web assembly like for to run it, I think, because web like browser only understands HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but we can use like web assembly to like run Rust, Golang, C++ on the browser also. That I have learned. Okay, teach me how to use Linux. So first of all, install any Linux distro. Like I use Ubuntu. So and what you can do is there is a so the okay, so you need to learn this much. Like these are the basic, and you will use each and every day if you are uh will be using laptop. Okay, so there is like a CD for to change directory, move change directory, yeah. So cat command, rm sort, ls for listing. So just mkdir for making new directories. So learn like basic 10 to 20 like command from the cheat sheet, and don't be like why I can't remember all these things. Slowly you will know all the command, and slowly you will explore more, like how you can see the how much RAM is being used at your laptop just from the terminal also. And you can use git like git dashboard, like git dash for to like git clone, git full. So from there also you will have exposure to terminal more, and slowly you will learn. Like the main thing is you should know pretty like 10 to 20 or 30 also, like the command on the Linux. And just and okay, first of all install this Linux, like any Ubuntu or anything, okay, and use it as a kind of window device, and slowly you will feel like you can do everything with it. Okay, so Puspita, that's so where are you from? I think you are from Nepal, yeah, or are you from India? Yeah, like so by just saying I need to know all the command will be hard at the beginning stage. So just try to remember 10 to 20 codes and try on the like daily, or like you can make it on a copy also or somewhere, so you can see and know like what that actual code is working, and slowly you would get it. Like don't think as like to learning Linux is kind of doing simple tasks also on a different kind of way. That's not the way. Like you will only use like Linux things when you actually need it. So yeah, and best of luck for your journey on your Linux, and hope you see you tomorrow, day after tomorrow in my life. So have a best journey for learning Linux. Okay, so guys, and I'm also thinking will be ending this stream. So yeah guys, for today this much. So back, see you tomorrow at this same time. So for then, take care, stay safe, and see you at the tomorrow live. Bye and subscribe.